Hello everyone! If you run a Shopify store and want to protect it from chargebacks, ChargeFlow is an essential tool. Now let's dive into how to use it. Now start by logging into your Shopify admin and heading to the Shopify App Store. Search for ChargeFlow and install the app on your store. Once installed, open the ChargeFlow app from your Shopify dashboard. Configure the settings by linking your payment gateways and setting up fraud detection alerts. Activate the automated dispute management feature, which helps fight chargebacks by gathering evidence and responding to disputes automatically. Monitor the performance of ChargeFlow through its dashboard, where you can track chargeback wins and losses. Now adjust the setting based on your store's need. And that is how you use ChargeFlow to safeguard your Shopify store from chargebacks. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.